Hi my friends, welcome to German for Lazy. Let's learn the names of the week's days. Our first word is Woche. Woche. It translates like week. Woche. Woche. Week. Montag. Montag. Monday. Montag. Monday. Dienstag. Dienstag. Tuesday. Dienstag. Tuesday. Mittwoch. Mittwoch, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Donnerstag, Thursday, Donnerstag, Thursday, Freitag, Freitag, Friday, Freitag, Friday, Samstag, Samstag, Saturday, Samstag, Saturday, Sonntag, Sonntag, Sunday, Sonntag, Sunday. Pretty well, my friends. Let's pronounce one more time each of these names. Montag, Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. Sonntag, Sunday. Woche, week. Well done, my friends. Now, if you haven't already learned the names of all the days in German, don't worry, never give up. You can always listen to this video one more time. Thank you. See you next time.